see you over too. Come here.
I'm gonna record it there. Hey, what's going on, guys? Kevin here. Welcome back to another video. Today we are gonna play some more Crossout. Haven't done this in forever. This was my first ever YouTube video. So, but I'm gonna show you my car real quick. So let's go test drive. Sure, it has 60-second boost, but once you waste it, you're out of gas. So I don't want to waste that. I gotta wait till this goes. I need better guns, of course. So that's over here. We're gonna try to get some more. Let's go in here and let's just end it and let's go battle. And let's rape. Green Survivor, we are striving to make the game better. So from now on, while the garage, well, okay, whatever, I couldn't. So this is my team. Okay. Yeah, right here. I'm not dead. Alright, wait, nobody's gonna stay behind? No, I'm not. So you see them in the map. So they're coming over in the map. So her name is Ashley. I think she's smart. Get out of here. I'm going straight to the base. Oh, this car's so drifty. This car's so drifty. I don't like this car, it's so drifty. Ow, it's so drifty. Self-destruct. Dang it.
Exactly.
Oh, so I don't think we can have to spectate them.
Really?
I don't think we can respawn. That's a cool car. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, so you turn it off? Did you turn your...
No, you know what? Let's go ahead and let's return.
Yeah, we won't kill you. I don't know how to turn it off.
Return to garage. Yes, I'm gonna return to garage real quick. And then let's go select mode. And join the raid. No. We wanna do Battle Royale. No, we don't want to do that. We're gonna be bad. Yeah, because I haven't played this in a while, so... Let's do Awakening. Yeah, let's do Awakening, actually. Waiting. Alright. What do we have in the shop? Oh, sorry, guys. Ooh. Alright, so what do we have in the shop? We have absolutely nothing new except these packs that I'm not gonna buy.
Advanced options.
So now all we have to do is just wait.
No, that's not it. I think it needs to be advanced settings. Right?
Alright, so my brother's talking on the phone right now, so I have no choice but to, record him while he's doing that. So, yeah, let's go ahead and can this thing just start. So we're doing Battle Royale, I guess. In the meantime, let's go for a test run. You know what? No, we're not gonna do a test run. Challenges. We have challenges here. Really? Finish one battle raids. Okay, well, you know what? Let's cancel that. Let's cancel that, actually. Then we need to do a raid. Join that, and then start that. And then if I go back to my garage, we should be doing the last... Yeah, I need some fuel.
Oh, what now?
The thing is full. We'll spent on raids and
everything.
Okay, nice. Green Survival, we are struggling to make the game better, so for now... No, I don't want to take no serious.
Does it just have his phone?
This takes a while always. That's what I kind of hate about this. But right now we have nobody online. Yeah, we haven't played for a while, I'm telling you. Last time we played together. And we only made one video because we made a few, but they didn't come out right, so we had to delete them. But no, we made a video. I made one the other day, but the internet connection just wasn't working, and then it just crashed my game in the middle of the recording. So here we are. Hopefully it doesn't happen again. It's just a car. No, it's not. Immediate. Oh, there we go. I want that car. No, I'm not gonna lie. I think I want that car. Alright, so we are doing Battle Royale, I guess. Oh no, we're not. Jeff, welcome travelers to our territory. You come, boys.
You kinda did first.
Dangerous. Stop or will. Okay. So this is an escort. Is it being shot at? Oh, okay. I didn't see that. Alright, looks like the enemy team is right here, and hopefully there's only 2 of them, and we win. It's too easy, man. This guy doesn't die though. No, this guy really does not want to die. Okay, I got 2. There's one more survivor.
I got this.
Yeah, we gotta escort it. Okay, destroy it. Destroy the car. Destroy it. Ooh. Oh, shoot.
Wow. My aim is so bad.
Okay, let's go. Wait, somebody else is shooting at us. Go.
Never mind. I did no mission.
Teamwork. She's demolishing everybody. Oh, God. Can you please not push me? This car sucks and it's very drifty and I don't like it. Why I've decided to play it so I can reload it. Ow! Dude, what are you doing?
With my new mouse,
my.
it's horrible right now.
Thank you. Thank you, buddy. No, good job.
Once we get the stairs done,
Not Fortnite, you can't mark.
once I know how to build stairs, like...
If you guys wanna see me play Fortnite or something, then let me know. It's gonna be. Wait, what is this? Oh my god, it's so cute. Why can't I destroy it? It's cute little things to visit. What? You can't destroy it? You have to completely destroy my car. Oh, it's not destroying it. It's little. Nope. Not the truck. Car's too drifty. I don't like it. Reload. This guy's not shooting at me. Okay, return to the truck to prevent him from slowing down foot. Oh, so the farther away you are, the more slows down.
Really?
Okay, we can't waste our fuel as much. Oh, I just rammed them. Go. Let's go, man, go. It's not too late to turn back while the day is standing, but you're not expecting mercy if you blow it up. Is it about to blow up then? Oh, no, we gotta blow up that. I think we need to ram this up. I think we need to ram this.
No, it's when she rests. Once she rests, then I'll team with you. Yeah, but she respawns, so...
You don't make it, you're dead. Until this will die, come on. Second time I kill you, right? Oh, what? Waiting for it. Help! Thank you. Help! Wait for help. Okay, this guy's really nice. What, dude? What are you doing? Dude, you gotta get away. Oh my god, dude, you gotta get away from this. You gotta get away. Okay, ready? Do it again. Okay, there. Thank you. Thank you, man. No, we gotta go. I'm losing the thrust right now. Oh no! Oh, what is this? It's dead, that's what it is. I honestly want to die so I can repair my car, but honestly it's pretty good. Alright, we're pretty good, we're doing good. We need to escort the truck. Okay, I'll escort it. Go, move. Oh, I'm stuck in. Go. Where's the map at?
Keep hitting her, keep hitting her. Come on, come on, come on. Okay.
Oh, what?
Wait.
Who flipped? Oh, nobody flipped. Oh, shoot! Die. I don't really have a gun. Oh, not the turrets. Oh, I just ran the turret.
You hit her.
Oh, the whole squad is coming this way. The whole squad, I repeat. This guy is very annoying and very like stuff, but it's really durable. I haven't died.
Oh, she did. I thought you got her.
I haven't died once. I don't want to waste my throttle soon, so I'm gonna stop.
Oh, no.
Go!
Okay, sure.
I'll use the boost if I have to. I'll use it. Go. There it is. I think that's it. What are you doing? This guy's done. Shoot him. No. Leave them dead. What are you doing, kid? What is this guy doing?
Get out of here, boy.
Keep it up.
Is this the real action?
Blow up the gate.
Someone needs their training wheels back.
I don't have any ammo for it. I can't shoot on it. Let's do it. How do you open the tower / gate? How do you do this?
Such a bad job. 47.
I'm confused. What do we do? That's good.
Running for that one.
Sorry, I'm taking a second.
Wait till the truck gets below.
Actually, sorry that this sucks.
Oh, we ended up waiting for this thing to explode. Oh. Go. Okay, what do we need to do? Let's go! Okay, I'm not gonna read the thing. We're gonna read it. I don't want to say that. Not a lot. Oh, that's the leader? That's the leader.
Not double teaming.
Oh, that ram just destroyed him.
Maybe that's fine.
Go.
Enemy down.
Good boy.
You saw me say that?
Oh, I'm stuck.
Yo, that was
My engine.
no, the one to the water.
My engine blowing
It'll
up.
reduce all of your guns and your kills.
I won. Let's go.
Well done, guys. Keep it up.
Let's go. I won. Alright, let's go. Alright, we finished all of them. Nice. The rewards, not active challenge. It's closed, and let's go do another challenge. So we got... Sorry guys, so we got 30 of... I think that's copper. There is always anything to do in the valley. Every day we offer survival challenges. Try to do one of them. You'll see is...
I reset your health because I made yours.
And we got 40 of scrap metal. We got some scrap metal and... Okay.
We're not double teaming.
Let's go storage. I need to fix my car really because... This car's garbage. This car's doo-doo. I'm just gonna say it's doo-doo. But I don't really have any good guns. Like, I can't go to the market for some reason, so then again I can't really I can't really open the thing that I need to do so I can change my stuff. But when I go to the shop, I don't honestly, I don't know, because I can't, you see, I'm maybe hitting the side buttons on my mouse and it doesn't let me click on that. So, you know what, let's go ahead and let's go select mode. Get the scrap metal. Sure, let's do this. Requires, oh, we can't do it because it requires level 14. Okay, I'm not doing that. Oh, level 4. Okay, I thought it was level 14. Sorry, guys. So let's go ahead and let's do that. Let's go to the shop. What do we have? I'm confused. Oh, we have here. Oh, you can buy these stuff. Cool. If I would buy any, it would be the black bone because it's $5 or the. Okay, I want that car, but you have to pay $10 to get it. And I don't really play this game as much, and I'm not gonna pay $10 for it.
Oh, that's 6 HP.
Yeah. So let's go ahead and do this.
Forward! Follow me, guys!
Okay, so what do we need to do? So we need to go to the base. Oh, I don't like this map. No. So let's go ahead and go this way. I'm gonna go ahead and try to confuse them so I can actually like stop the base. Oh, there they are. So they see me. Yep, they saw me. That's right, I have 2 guns. You have how many guns? That's what I thought. Why am I only doing 3? Dead from above. I don't know what that means.
She hit the metal.
Why are you running away? Huh? Why are you running away? You scared? After you shot me, you scared? What, you scared? Tell me what, you scared? You scared, man? You scared? Got him? I got somebody. Okay, I'm about to die, so I'm gonna try to go over here and get the thing. It's not my fault, he took too long. So we got one dead. There's like a battle royale kind of thing, but I feel like honestly this is like squads in Fortnite. So instead of people,
Enemy killed one of us.
okay. We need to go there. Oh, I don't have a wheel, so it's a little bit hard to turn. And I can't respawn or repair, so that's gonna be honestly. If I make this, yeah, I'll make it. You're allowed to repair or you repair. Nah, actually no, because then it's gonna be a problem. Alright, let's go. Oh, okay, let's go here. We're gonna start each other. So when they do that, I'm gonna find this.
We lost the car!
Really?
No! I thought I was claiming it. I don't know how you do that. It's so hard. I haven't played this game in a while, so I forgot. Alright, you know what? So, yeah, let me turn to the garage. Alright. I think I'll do one more, and then after that, we're gonna end it there, and I'm gonna go ahead and do this, the last convoy again. No, actually I'm not. What is this? Awakening. Survivalist time. Nah, we just did that one, didn't we? You know which one we want to do this? Let's do get the scrap metal. Battle Royale. Let's do Battle Royale. Let's do one Battle Royale, and we're probably gonna be bad because my car sucks, but it's not my fault. Fuel is full. How is it full though? It doesn't make sense. I need money, precious. So the cheapest probably can get us 350 coins. And I can just get this for $14 and it gives me 175 coins for the price. Okay, you know what? If I were to get one of these, it would not be the $25 pack. It would be the $13 pack, maybe even the $3 pack, and just buy it twice. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to challenges.
Really? Why do you guys got double team?
It's taking too long. You know what? I'll save the battle royale for next time. If you enjoyed this video, smash a like, subscribe, so you can have good luck for the rest for 3 years. If you like and subscribe for my video. Nah, I'm joking. That doesn't work that way, guys. Don't listen to those guys. No, but really, please like, subscribe, and turn on the bell. Help me reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.